how to add card in Amazon app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Amazon. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on your profile at the bottom. Here you will find the option of your account. Tap on it. Scroll all the way down until you see the option of your payments, and then head over to it. It will land you on this interface. Once again scroll down and tap on add a payment method. Well, from here select the payment method as you prefer. Let me tap on add a credit or debit card. Now what you want to do is simply fill up the information of your card. At the very first you need to enter the card number. Then enter the expiration date and the security code. At the very last enter the first name and the last name that is written on the card. Once you are done, simply tap on add and continue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to add card on Amazon app. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.